Okay, so today, after giving it a lot of thinking of what I'm gonna do with this bike and with that frame, I figured I'm gonna take everything off this bike and we're gonna switch this one over. But I'm gonna start by just taking everything off this one because I thought maybe I could fix it, maybe I buy a new engine for it, but you can't find anything, it's very hard. So instead of having to wait, see if I can buy an engine, all this, because that engine is rusted inside, I just seen it. I think I'm just gonna strip that whole frame and then we'll get it ready to move everything from this one to over. So that's what I'm gonna start with, and hopefully everything goes smooth. Okay, so I took the front sprocket, and as you can see, this thing is not good at all. You can see the teeth, how they were pointing away. That's how you know you need new sprockets, either than the corrosion, but you can see that their teeth are pointing more towards this way. Or I guess if you turn it this way, that way. Look, and it got broken pieces. You can see one right there. So this is not reusable. So I planned already. Well, this is not the sprocket I'm going to use anyway, so I'm assuming the sprocket for that one is also going to be bad. So let's keep going at it. If you guys don't want to lose all your parts and everything, just do hip baggies and ride on them. Do so I can keep everything, so I know where they go once I put everything back. Okay guys, engine is out. Only took a little bit of wiggling and prying, but she came out pretty smooth forward. So maybe that was the hardest part. Now I can really look around at this engine and frame and cleaning and all that. Let's take a break. As you can see here, I marked with a marker around where the original forks have to be positioned, so when I put the other ones back on, or when I put this one back on, if I fix it or anything, I know where it goes. I'm gonna do the same to that one once I'm taking it out, so when I put it back on this frame, I can put it exactly where they were. Okay, let's have a recap. Engine's out. You can see it's on this side. The forks are out with whole wheel. So now, what I've noticed is, so you can see, there's some sort of resistance to the steering, and I didn't know if that was normal, so I went online and they said if it shows like resistance on different sides, that means that you need a bearing. So we would have to remove this and get in here. Probably the bearings are probably just in here, and I'm gonna have to buy bearings and change those if I want a good but I'm gonna look for more information, because when I do it fast it doesn't happen. It's only when I go, I stop and then I turn, it's hard. Then I turn, it's hard. But when I do it fast, it's not. So I'll have to do more information about that. So I'm gonna try to start on that and see, or maybe I'm just gonna wait before I take that out, look for more information. And then I'm gonna remove this chain, and then obviously end up removing the rear tire. So I think I'm gonna leave this how it is for now until I look for more information. I'm gonna order new chain and sprockets, so I can put some brand new chain and sprocket on that one. Because the engine's gonna be out, might as well do it. And it seems like everything else should be good. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna keep updating on the bike and on the stuff I'm getting. And once I get the parts, I'll start on the parts and let you guys know where I'm next. So thanks for watching, appreciate it. Thanks. Like and subscribe if you like this kind of content.